Hi, I'm Alicia from Tree Oak Wood Flooring. Today I'm demonstrating the superior protection of our hand-finished floors. Our floors are fully protected against coffee, tea, wine, cooking oil, pet food, ketchup, and other kitchen acquired stains. Unlike other manufacturers who use a two-coat protection system, we use two-coat protection with hard wax oil or water-based lacquer. This protection is eco-friendly, ensuring your floors remain stains-free. We will leave these stains for 8 to 10 hours and then wipe them off to show how effective our protection is. We have tested light, middle, and dark tones. No matter the color, our protection works flawlessly. So now we're going to demonstrate and apply few drops on all of these colors. We start with the coffee. Now we're gonna leave it for 8 to 10 hours and then we will get back to you. We will wipe it off and we will show how it works. It's time to remove the stains and evaluate the results. First, we're gonna use a wet tissue to wipe away our stains. As you can see, there is no stains left, but if there is some little stains are left, you can always use a wood cleaner, dilute it in the water and wipe it off. Let's wait when it dries and I will show you what we have. Hi, our planks and herringbone wood have dried and let's see what we have. As you can see, it's totally stains free. I hope you liked our video. Thank you very much for watching.